Take it. Take it, you need it. You will thank me later for this. Mama, what is this? His mother has started going places, asking questions about us. You need it. Mama, I'm not going to live in the village with his mother. You need it. Mama, these things are becoming too much. It's becoming too much. What is too much then? What is too much for my only daughter? For your own good. And I'm a get her. What is this called? It's called Udukari. It's made up of the hair of an old female cat. Name, these things are becoming too much. They're becoming too much. Nothing is too much. Ini Edo and I'm a wagi. So what am I supposed to do with it now? Stroll with it to the house. When you get to the house, put it under the bed. Before you lay down on that bed, put it under there. For your own good. Under the bed. Do carry. Me carry. Guinea carry. Ga carry.
This house. Again. Our kindreds don't even wear cats. Where does that be coming from?
What is this called? It's called Udukari. It's made up of the hair of an old female cat. Name, these things are becoming too much. They're becoming too much.
Hey!
Okay. I love you. Lie down.
Lie where?
Lie down.
You ate!
It's gone.
Where are you going?
Wait, I'm coming.
Over here! Obina! Hi! Say! see anything?
Nothing.
Hi. Are you scared?
Of course. I haven't experienced something like this before. How can a cat be mewing in my house?
I have to go and see my mother about this tomorrow. I have to go and see her about this.
Your mother?
Yes.
And what will your mother do about it?
My mother knows some woman who sets traps for witches.
Wait. You think there's a witch?
What else do you call this?
Oh.
Let's build again.
Nika Mejo. Nika Mejo.
It's by that corner. Oh! It's a witch, it's a witch, it's a witch. Mama? 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 Please come and take your charm. You should have told me that this is the evil. Please come and take your charm. I don't want it again.
You see, that charm is for your own good.
Mama? Mama? I drop it on the ground. No? I say I don't want the charm. Take.
If you drop that charm on the ground, you will go mad.
Huh? Okay, I'm not dropping it on the ground, but take your charm.
I can't take it.
Huh? Memo. Please take your charm. Please, I'm begging you. I don't want it again. I'll go and keep it in your room. Oh. I said I don't want it again.
Why are you stupid? No, tell me, why are you stupid? I am so disappointed that my daughter can't see. You think I'm stupid?
Ma, I didn't say you're stupid though. I only said I don't want the charm again. Please, don't be angry. Thank you very much for all your efforts. Take your charm back.
You better go and thank your God that witch didn't suck your blood last night. Which witch? Obina didn't tell you his mother is a witch. Hey! Hey! Obina's mother is a witch. Is she a witch? Thank your God you have a strong mother like me. Hey! No wonder. She kept asking me questions about my Taliban the very first day I went there. Oh. If not for this antidote, she would have sucked 2 pints of your blood last night. Hey! Hey! Mama. Because anyway, don't be angry. Give me more. You want more, Akwe?
Yes.
Now you're talking. No wonder she kept asking me, Nne, who gave you that thing on your neck? Nne, what is it called? Nne. Okay. Hey! She wants to suck your blood on miaya shash. Hey! On miyagi gogo. Come inside. Let me give you what I want to give to you. Come.
Hey!
On miyagi.
Hey!
Emena, I couldn't sleep last night. It's like a big cat invaded our house.
Did you see anyone?
I did not see anything, but I felt their presence everywhere.
Mama, are you thinking what I am thinking?
What are you thinking?
There's a witch living in this house, and you and I know who she is.
Menwapudo, there is no peace for the wicked. She will not have rest.
Mama, what we need to do now is that we have to go and see this here tomorrow before I get out of hand. Yes.
So are you ready to tell me why you've been moody?
You have to ask your mom some questions.
What do you mean, ask my mom some questions?
Ask her why the cat keeps moving at night. You have to ask her.
Wait a minute. Are you saying that my mother knows about the cat? She's even looking for the cat to kill it herself.
So, I'm lying.
I'm not saying you're lying, but then you have to reason what you're saying.
There's anything that she needs to tell you by herself. You are the one who has to go there and ask her.
Ask her what? About cats?
My mother went to see a woman who fights witches.
And the woman said that my mother is a witch.
You're not very respectful. I can't say it from my mouth. You have to go and ask your mother. It's better when you hear it from the horse's mouth.
Come on, how can you be saying that? That can you call my mom? When you heard when she told you that my mother is a witch.
Exactly. But you are the one who has said it. I didn't say anything.
Come on, that's not possible. How can my mother be a witch?
Your daughter-in-law has brought in a symbol of witches into the house. This will break your home, and if you are not careful, it will take your life.
God forbid.
Wise one, please, what do we do about it?
I'm not a witch hunter. I'm only a seer. You have to go to Ikolo. He knows what to do with them.
Who is Ikolo?
Ikolo, the dwarf from Umu Aloma. Go to him with a white cock and he will help you.
Thank you.
Chinyere, that is her name. She is the daughter of one of the vilest witches, Oyemma.
Yes. Yes, wise one. My son has fallen into their trap. I want him to be saved.
Woman, you have to fight for your life. For your son is like a termite that has entered the mouth of the hungry hawk.
Hey.
Yes. And now listen to me. When you get home tonight, cast some ashes around your house. In the morning, you will see our footsteps. You will have to repeat this for 7 days.
Is that all I need to do? Obusigo?
Put 7 cowries around your bed before you sleep tonight. And cross over them with 7 broomsticks around them.
Wise one, for how long do I need to do this one?
For as long as Ijere lives with your son.
Thank you.
goodness. Oh my God. See what they've done to my skin. Obina. Obina. See my skin. Oh my. Obina.
My love?
Just look at my skin. See what the witch has done to my skin.
Even me. Eh? What's the meaning of this?
I don't know. No. There's a witch in this house. There's a witch in this house. That witch should better confess now. Else I'll go and tell my mother.
No, my love, it hasn't gotten to that.
Then you have to ask the witch to confess.
It's your mother that is a witch. Go and tell her that I said so.
Did you call my mother a witch?
Did you see water in my mouth? If you meet in the morning, tell her that I called her a witch.
Okay.
We shall see nothing.
We shall see.
We shall see nothing. I'm not even mad. Get come Meg.
We shall see. Okay.
Hey, come on, my love. Can you stop? My love, listen. Mama, how could you call someone's mom a witch?
Shut up! Make sure what she saw. Were you not here when she called me a witch? Did you tell her to shut up? Eh? You better shift though. Stand there. When she called me a witch, you didn't tell her to shut up. You're coming to challenge me.
I didn't know what I was doing. Something strange possessed me and drained the blood in my veins. I didn't know what I was doing.
You have to be careful next time. Eh? Take. Open your mouth. Take. Take. Drink water. It's okay.
It's bitter.
Yes, you'll be fine.
Mama. Mama.
I think your daughter is here.
Hey.
Mama.
It's okay. Do not look into her eyes, or she will fall sick and die.
Mama. What is wrong with my mother?
She's sick. She's sick. Yes.
Mama. What is wrong with you?
Ijere, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Ijere, that your mother-in-law is evil. She's evil. She attacked me last night.
She is. She's evil. See what she did to my skin.
She did?
Yes.
Don't worry. When I get better, I know what to do to her.
Should I get you to a hospital?
Hospital?
No.
Hey, Mbano. She will be fine.
Yes.
No, you will be fine.
Yes, I will be fine.
She will be fine. Don't worry. Relax, oh? Don't worry. Oh?
She needs some rest.
No problem. No problem at all. I am leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm picking all my things and I'm leaving.
Oh, really? You've not started running. By the way, did you tell your mother what I told you?
Tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning.
Hey, stop staring at me like a lost sheep.
That's it though. That's it. Just go begging.
Why not today? In fact, why not now? You're waiting tomorrow. Leave now. Agent Chichama Atoya. You're waiting tomorrow. Leave now.
I said don't beg me. I'm leaving in the morning.
How did it go?
She almost ate her daughter's flesh
Really?
last night. Yes,
Then it worked. That's good news.
it worked. I have to go and see him later.
That will be fine. You know, she thought she's wise. We have to break her wings.
Each
We have to break her wings, one after the other.
year.
Because, let me start going before my father starts looking for me.
Okay, I'll be here for a while.
Okay.
I said you're a witch. What are you doing here by this time of the night? Throwing incantations. And... to pee, and I just saw your mother by that corner throwing ashes on the ground and making some incantations. Hey! I came to call you and she just disappeared. This is the way.
Disappear what? Disappear to where? My mother cannot disappear. What are you saying?
That dream disappeared to where? I said I saw her with my eyes here and she disappeared. She was about to turn into a cat and start mewing before I caught her.
Come on, my love. Let's go inside, alright? Stop being funny. My mother do come out to ease herself every midnight.
Huh? I think, come on, my love. Let's just listen. My mother come out to feed in the night.
Huh? I said I saw her with my own eyes. I'm not going inside.
Saw her where now? What are you saying?
Huh?
Let's go inside.
Simba! Simba, I'm not following you inside. I'm not sleeping this night though. Because she cannot afford to suck my blood again. I will not close my eye to sleep. We must keep vigil here. Because she cannot afford to suck my blood again.
My love, can you stop? My mother to come out to ease herself. That must have been what she came out to do before you saw her. Okay? Let's go. Come on.
Get this paper. I'm not going inside. I'm going to keep vigil here. Say my mother to come to pee. Ha.
Okay, if you're not going inside, I'll be inside when you're ready to come.
Throwing ashes, and throwing. Hey! Are you leaving me here? Wait for me, oh! Hey! Wait!
Where did she get those powers from? How would I know? She almost killed me. Hey,
hey, I warned you. I warned you, didn't I? Let that family be. Eh? I know what I want. You want her dead? If she's alive, my daughter will not last in that house. They will send her packing. You don't have to do it now. When will I do it? No, tell me. If I don't do it now, when? There are other ways to do it. Which other way? Make her son to hate her. Yes. Make him to see her as evil. I want something more than that. I want her son to be under my daughter. That's what I want. Since you have such a brilliant idea, why risk your life then?
He's under my spell already.
Then you have nothing to worry. He will be under Ijere for the rest of his life. With that, he will take control of whatever that is happening in that family. Conobri feature.
my love, I'm very sure of what I saw. I'm very, very sure. She was mean like a cat, just here. I saw her.
So, I am a liar, or I'm blind. Obina, if you're not going back with me to the city, I'm going to have to leave you here and go.
Come on, my love. There's no witch in this house. I can't go back to the city now. I still have 3 days left in my leave.
Nah. But if you love me, you'll go with me. The witch won't let the house be. The house is haunted by a witch.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
Then, fine. If you're not going, that's fine. Tell me, when can you come and meet me in my mother's house?
Hey, come on, my love. Are we going to be going to your mother every now and then we have issues?
Well, because you don't want to stand up and be a man.
But I'm a man.
The witch is haunting the house. And you won't even send the witch away.
There is no witch in this house. How else am I going to sing it for you to understand?
Why
that was
are
a
you
cat.
Shouting at me?
Huh? Am I shouting?
He's shouting again. That is it. I'm leaving.
No. I won't shout again. Hey, my love, listen now. I'm trying to say. No, you can't go.
Get away. I'm going to my mother.
Hey, my love, no, you can't leave me.
I get away. Oh.
You can't even sleep like that.
Hi.
Obinna. Look at what they've done to you. Look at it. You are still rushing. Now, Tria. Obinna. Can't you read the handwriting on the wall?
Mama, there's no handwriting on the wall. It's just love. And can someone slap his love again?
Hey!
Mama! Are you seeing me? Are you seeing me?
Why are you crying, Ogene?
The house is hell!
But it's okay. It's okay, Ibizna. It's okay. Wipe your tears. It's going to be fine. Just wipe your tears, okay? Uzugu, let's go inside. Ibizna. You okay, você? Queria be pack, Zé. Hi. This evil is beyond me.
What have I done? Eh? What have I done? You won't get out of the road. My love. My love.
What do you want? What do you want? I'm asking you.
Mama, it's my wife. I came for my wife.
You are a wicked man. I gave my only daughter to you. You and your evil mother treat her the way you like.
Mama, it's not what you think. Please. I didn't know what came over me.
Stupidity, that is what came over you.
Mama, please. I'm begging you. You know how much I love your daughter.
If you love my daughter, you won't let her go.
Okay, I will not let her go again. Please.
The only thing that will make me forgive you is if you promise never to make me go back to that haunted house again.
Okay, fine. You're not going there.
Never, ever.
Not at all. From here, we are going back to the city immediately. Eh? Thank you. Okay, my love. Let me quickly open it.
Yeah. Here first. You here. Go. Enter.
This world is full of evil people. Before you go to the city tomorrow, I want you to go and see a great seer who will guide you on how to live without the interference of these evil people.
Seer. But Mama, I hope it's not a witch doctor's place. Oh.
No, yeah, you guys, not at all.
Oh, okay.
We're talking about a powerful woman. She will only advise you on how to live a peaceful life.
Mama de mama. Mama, you're such a caring mother.
My dear, if I don't take care of my son-in-law, why am I living?
Abio.
I know your mother will not give you a rooted advice like this.
That one. Does she have common sense? All she does is just walk around the house at night, mewing like a cat. Am I lying?
No. Even in the afternoon.
I'm sure both of you must be hungry.
Go.
Ijere, go to the kitchen and bring the food.
Okay.
Mama, do you have snail?
You want to eat snail meat?
Yes, exactly. Mama, you know that snail you gave me that day? Everybody in my house was dragging that snail with me. They wanted to collect it, but I said no. My mother-in-law gave me this snail, so I must eat it alone.
Yeah.
I finished all of them.
You know what I'm going to do? I will prepare snail pepper soup for you.
Mama, I will eat snail. Go and prepare it.
Go and bring the food in them.
Mama. Mama, you're a very good mother.
Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome, my children. Thank you. My son. Very lucky. Evil people after your life. I knew it, but they have failed.
Wise one, please. What am I going to do to stop them from coming after me in future?
Alms giving. Give. Starting from here. What are you waiting for?
It's true.
Alms giving. Let me see your pants. Is everything okay? His destiny is clouded. It has to be washed. Please, wash it, great one. Oh, wash it.
Wash what?
I wash away every ill luck in your destiny.
See?
I wash away every ill luck in your destiny. What is done?
Thank you so much, Papa.
Your enemies will never see you again. Another one. You're a very kind man. May the gods favor you. Thank you.
No. Mama. How did it go?
It went very well. Thank you for the suggestion.
My in-law, I hope you're happy now. Go inside and change. The snail will soon be ready.
Snail?
Yes.
Snail!
Okay. Is this way? Is this way?
Yes.
Is this way?
Where is it, Jerry?
Where is it? Calm down. Wanda, let's do this thing now that is hot. Kaimeifa!
I want to see Jerry first. I'm not here with it.
Why? Makagini?
Because you are not the only one who needs it.
My son has been wandering for the past 5 years in the city without a job. Wanda, don't do this to us.
What will be my reward?
Mention your reward. Mention what you want.
You mention it yourself.
I give you my word. Okay. When Ijere makes plenty money, I'll give you money to start business for your son. I will even give you money to build a house.
Swear.
I give you my word.
Swear by your nightstick. And if you don't, let this stick
bring my destruction. Good. It is done. This is the beginning of great things in your life.
Thank you, great one.
Your husband will always be under you until he dies.
Thank you, my mothers. My mother is calling you. Obina! I said my mother is calling you.
Palm is itching me.
Obina. I thought you people are supposed to travel.
But my palms have been itching me.
Your palm itching you?
Yes.
Will that stop you from driving?
I can't drive this. No.
Okay, let me get you something to start.
Feeling so badly.
Okay, what's that? Use it.
Chineke.
How are you?
Obinna. What happened to you? Where is your car? Why are you dressed like this?
What happened with
you?
Is there anything wrong with what I'm wearing? Eh? It's not fine. Don't be ridiculous!
Obinna Bukisi
Allo emem. Allo ememu. Allo ememo. Ay 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 ay. Hey! Hey! Obinna. Nwa m okolobịa oyibo. Ogidi ya. Hey!
Obinna mwambulu n'afọ okorobịa m jeje mba. Obinna bụ ka isi jee. Ada agwa gị ịda anọ, a na-egosi gị ịda afọ. Obinna bụ ka isi jee. Okorobịa dike m ji n'aka, fa analugo m ya. Obinna bụ gịnị na-eme? Obinna bụ ka isi jee. Obinna bụ ka isi jee. Nwa m okorobịa gịnị na-eme? Amụọ m. Obinna bụ ka isi jee. Ọ bụ mụ na onye ya ebi, lee ka isi eme eli. Obinna bụ ka isi jee. Chimo ọbịa gbawa m, okorobịa m ji n'aka. Obinna bụ ka isi jee. Anya m afụgo ntị m, ndị ire ebugokwa m. Obinna mwambulu n'afọ okorobịa m ji.
Obinna, what are you doing in the village?
What is funny? Eh? It's not a laughing matter. Obinna, I said, what are you doing in this village looking like a destitute?
Mama, me, prostitute.
No, I did not say prostitute. I said destitute.
Oh, destitute.
Hey, otu aka si wee kwọcha aka tiela ọkụkọ akị. Hey.
Chimo.
Mama, did you see what I've seen?
They have succeeded in ruining my son's life.
Okay.
What happened to you? You're looking lost. And it's scary and heartbreaking.
I'm looking lost. Me, I'm looking lost. Huh? Mama, is it true that I'm looking lost? You said I'm looking lost. I'm looking lost too. If I'm lost, you found me now. Go and find me. I'm lost.
We can't leave him like this. It could get worse.
I do not want to believe that Obinna is mad.
No, Mama, he's not mad.
If he's not mad, Emenam, what is he? Eh?
I can't explain. We have to go and see Ikoyo. Yes. Mama, please. I don't want to see those tears, please. Okay. Let's go. Obi. Let's go and buy palm wine.
Huh? You want to buy me palm wine?
Yes, palm wine.
Mama, you want to buy palm wine? Let's go, let's go. Where is she following us to?
Huh?
She, look.
She's the one with the money to buy the palm wine.
The money? So, how much?
Mama, how much?
500 naira.
500 naira. Okay, okay. Let's be going. Let's be going and buy the palm wine.
Yes.
Give me the palm wine. Where is it?
I will give you, once we get home, I'll give you.
No, no, I want to drink
leave
it.
it, leave it.
I want to
leave
drink
it now.
it now.
I will give it to you.
Now.
I'll give you.
I'll drink it.
Yeah.
But I heard when he said I should drink it before meal. Or you want to give me after meal?
Once we get home now, I'll give it to you.
No, no, give me. Why are you with me?
I'll give you. I'll give you. I'll give you.
You will drink it when you get home.
Go.
You drink it when you get home.
Yes.
I will drink the palm wine when I get home. Are you sure I'll drink it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Let's be going. I'll drink my palm wine if I get home.
Sweet palm wine.
Is this the palm wine?
Yes.
Okay.
Drink it. You will like it.
Okay. Mama.
Eh?
This palm wine is bitter.
Eh? Listen, just close your nose, then drink it. You will like it. Oh, just close your nose.
Okay. No.
No. Abone. Hey, stop. No.
Okay.
Oh. Abone. Oh.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Mama, how is he faring?
He has been sleeping since so.
Oh, thank God.
Oh.
Has he eaten anything?
Boleto. 3 times.
Oh, nice. Mama, don't worry. The evil ones will be put to shame.
Amen.
You'll be fine.
Amen.
Huh?
See, I want to go to the market and buy something.
Okay.
Help me take care of him.
That's why I'm here. I'll take care of him.
Thank you. In case he wakes up and needs to eat, there is food in the kitchen.
Okay.
Oh?
Okay, Mama. Don't worry.
Your car is fine. Thank you. It's not a cow, my thing. Hey! Please sit down.
Oh, thank you, Baba. I'm so tired.
No, I drove all the way. Let me sit down like this, like I feel very well.
Good news. Tell me, I am now a director at my company. Akozina, don't shout yet. I am also going to Canada for a 1-year course.
And you say I should not shout. You say I should not shout. You say I should not shout. It's the maintenance book. It's the maintenance book. It's the maintenance book. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
Thank you.
Hey, Nukwam, what of your husband?
Now, you already know the answer to that question.
I hear he's now in the village. What would I have done, Mama? He was constituting a nuisance. People in the street started talking and complaining. I had to send him away. Hey. You are now a big woman. Anything you want, you will get it.
Yes, Mama.
And I have enough money to buy myself any kind of husband I want.
I'll get it.
Thanks to you, Mama. I wouldn't have been able to do it if it weren't for you. I love you. I love you too, my dear. You're my only daughter. If I don't do it for you, who will I do it? Let me go and get the things I bought for you in the car. No, come and eat first. The letter will carry it. I bought you something. Come and eat first. Hey, hey.
I like it.
My love!
What are you doing?
You're here.
What kind of stupid question is that? This is my husband's house. And I can chase you out if I want.
You cannot.
Really? Anyways, lucky you. Not here to argue with an illiterate.
Get out.
What?
You heard me.
You want to throw me out of my husband's house? Obinna.
Get out or I will push you out
You
now.
wouldn't even dare.
No! Don't push her! This is my love. I want to push my love. Not push you, yeah?
Now leave. I said leave before I push you out.
I don't.
I will push you out.
No! Push you.
Very well then.
I want to push my love.
If
No.
you want me to leave my husband's house, then leave I will.
Leave!
No,
You're
no.
a wicked and evil woman. Leave!
No!
Did you just hear her call me an evil woman?
No, you're not an evil woman. You're a good woman, yeah? Yeah?
I'm leaving.
No, no! No, no, no!
Obinna, what is wrong with you?
Chikwan, what is going on here?
Mama, sister want to leave. I'm scared my love to leave.
Get out from there!
Hey! Obinna, if you want to see me, come to my mother's house and see me.
No, no, no.
Obinna, what do you think you're doing? Leave this woman alone!
No, my love.
The one man yo.
Obinna!
Obinna! Obinna! Come on. Obinna! Come back here. Come back. Jonathan. Come back here. What is the problem? Hey! She wants to jump me.
I said this woman is
This woman.
My love.
Obinna!
Obinna!
Look at Obinna. Hey, look at Obinna. Hey, Fomo. Obinna. Mama.
Hey! Hey! I have never seen such charm as strong as this. Sophia, Mama, don't go. Mama, don't go. He will come back. He will come back, Mama. He will come back.
My love, yeah, love, my love.
Yeah? Look, Weba. Weba! You trying my yakanam here? Look, Weba. Weba. Now, Weba. Spider-Man. Weba, it is very stubborn. It is too stubborn. Very ungrateful. Spider-Man. You are an ungrateful person. So Weba,